vacuum tube lifters from Feather are the ideal companions for fast and smooth transport of porous to dense loads up to 200 kilograms. Almost all goods can be moved easily, ergonomically, and particularly safely with just one hand. The tube lifters do not require any additional lifting aids, such as chain hoists or rope balances, because the same medium for suction is also used for the lifting movement in our innovative process. Thanks to our unique modular system, Feather tube lifters can be adapted to your individual requirements in no time at all. If the wide range of standard suction feet and mechanical grippers available is ever insufficient to tackle your project, don't hesitate to contact us. Our highly skilled professionals will be happy to design customized solutions specifically for your project. At Feather, we are convinced that there is a suitable solution for every problem, simply to be able to move more. Safety is a top priority for us at Feather. It is therefore important to us to think of every eventuality at all times, so that both your employees and your goods are optimally protected at all times. That is why, even in an emergency situation such as power failure, our vacuum tube lifters do not simply drop the loads, but lower them to the ground at a slow speed. You too can benefit from our decades of experience and patented technology. Combined with comprehensive accessories and expansion options, our vacuum tube lifters are the perfect solution for your application. We will be happy to advise you individually on your project conveniently on the phone or at our main location in Altbach. Let us advise you without obligation and convince you yourself with an on-site demonstration.